Za Syria. Zinguza hizi ni maganda. Okay. There's beans down there. Like lots of beans. Right, let me show you. Hold on. There's lots of beans. There's one I saw I wanted to show you. There. Can you see that? Green beans. But that's how not all beans come out. Start off, rather. Yeah, maize. Maize. More maize. More maize. This is a lot. Yeah? Oh, kuya. Dabaruri ni barbed wire. So Mom is showing me around. This is all the work they've been busy with. Okay. And this is the barbed wire that the guys were busy with today. We need to make sure we fence it nicely. Just now we get goats from the neighbor coming to destroy all the beans and the maize. And then we will eat the goat if it eats the beans and the maize.